Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In this session, I'm going to tell you about the free certification course for the data analyst. Now, I already created a few videos for the same certification. If you haven't checked those, you can just go in the description box and check those video. You will get the free certification. Data analyst is a profession where person processes, collects and do the analysis of a data and convert that data into a visualization using a different tools like a Power BI, Excel or SQL. In this video, I am going to tell you about the free certification which is provided by the Simplilearn platform, which is a skill up, and you can do the course online. So let's get started on how we can register and get certified with the data analyst course. So on the screen you can see I have opened the Simplilearn platform, and in that we have an introduction to the data analytics course, and this is a free data analytics course with the certificate. So we can just learn online. So the course is provided for the beginner level. So this free data analytics course is perfect for the beginner. So if you are a beginner and starting out, then you can just go ahead with this course. You don't need any prerequisite for this course. So this course is a free, and the total duration for the course is a 3 hours. Then we will be awarded with the completion certificate once you complete the course, and we will have a 90 days access of your free course. So which means you need to complete the course within the 90 days and get the certificate of a completion. Data analyst skills you will learn: type of data analytics, frequency, distribution plots, swarm plots, data visualization, data science methodologies, analytics adoption frameworks, and trends to data analytics. So this is all you will learn in this course. If I go down, who should learn this free data analyst course? So if you are a business or a data analyst, you can go ahead with the course. If you are an analytics manager, then also you can do this course. If you are a mid-level manager or a CXO, then you can also do this course. What you will learn in this free data analyst course? So these are nothing but the modules which are available with this course. So you will have an introduction to the data analytics. Then after that you can have a overview which is of like 23 minutes of course. Then we have a different types of data. After that we have a decision making module, then the machine learning, data science and data analytics module. Then we have a data science methodology, data analytics in a different sectors, and finally we will be able to learn analytics framework and latest trends. If I go down, get a completion certificate. Once you complete the course, you will get the certification by the Simplilearn. So you will be able to share this course or the certificate on a LinkedIn also once you complete this course. Why you should learn a data analyst? So there are like total 77.64 billion market valuation by the end of 2023. So it's 2025 and the valuation may have increased for this. If I go down, we have a career opportunity in data analyst or the analytics manager, and if you see the average salary which is a 945k per annum. Now let's start learning. What I will do a login in this website, and then we can go ahead and check what exactly is working. So I'll log in with the Gmail. Let's wait for it to log in. I have already enrolled in this course, so that is the reason it is showing it in progress. Once you log in and enroll, you will be able to see it in your dashboard. If I continue learning, and it will open the different modules. On the right hand side, you can see the different lessons. So these are the lessons which were already mentioned in the landing page of this course. And if I go to the certificate, your certificate is locked. To unlock your certificate, complete 85% of a self-learning video. So you have to complete a 80% of a course to get this certificate. And after that we have like upgrade. If you want to go ahead with some of the paid courses, then also you can go with them, and there are some rewards. So once the enrollment is done, you see there is a reward. If I open this course resources, okay, so you will get the different rewards if you complete the course. And you can see I will be able to download this reward. So mostly you will get the rewards as well as the certificate for this course, but the thing is you need to complete this course within a 90 days, because after 90 days the trial period or like a free course will expire in 89 days. So it's like you need to complete it within 90 days to get certified. And one more thing, they already have the Apple as well as the Android application for this Simplilearn, so you can do the course on a mobile itself. So this is all about the free certification course for the data analysis, which is provided by the Simplilearn platform. Watching. If you found this video helpful, you can just like the video, share our video and subscribe to our channel. Also press the bell icon so that you don't miss any notification. If you have any questions, you can just drop them in a comment section. See you in the next video.